green, isang yellow, isang blue. Tama yun.
Why do you cancel me? Why you redeem?
Why did you redeem it? Uy, why did you?
Why did you redeem it ka?
Why did you redeem?
Uy, guys, Arga 4. Because of that, I like you, girl. Tira ka na.
You got me, baby boo.
Redeem.
Give it to me.
Oh,
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now.
You like my animation when I put a card down?
Oh my gosh.
Why would you redeem?
Oh my god!
Bro, this card of Arico.
When these cards. Look.
Ala, nangyari diyan.
what's happening?
How that works, if you're gonna bunot and then it doesn't match with whatever, like for example, if the card is green, and then
Because your
what,
best friend, right? Oh,
And
ito,
then-
card.
Oh.
oh
Okay.
thanks, okay, and like whatever you bunot at di nag-match sa card nakalagay,
Okay.
yeah,
Why can't
bunot
you
ka hanggang
translate
pwede.
Udon?
Don't let Chris get a turn. Don't let Chris get a... Oh, sayang Chris, you need to pick someone.
E.
No! Chris gonna win! No!
6-7.
You know what? We got easy. Ako nalo eh. Ako nanalo.
Guys, 6-7 yung score ko.
Yeah.
Third up. Easy. Easy, man.
Isa pa.
Isa ba?
Isa pa.
It's giving
Bro,
to
simple naman. Simple dimple.
Puppet squeeze?
Wait, teams tayo kasi ano eh. 2,
Sige.
3, 6 tayo lang. That's
Teamer?
an even number.
Teamer?
2v2.
Bro, I want...
Sige, ano?
Ayoko
Ay,
nito.
Sino first?
Wag na lang team. Wag na lang team. Meron ako dito, Ralo. I bought something back then.
Okay. I'm gonna eat ice cream real quick.
Think fast and organize your cards. As once it's your turn, at the topmost card will be constantly played if it's playable.
Babasa siya para naiintindihan niya, guys.
Please donate. Ito tayo. Tapos,
What's happening?
dama to
Where-
support in the game.
Where's Kurt?
Kurt went bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh. So that's why
Dear
he's flopping. That's how it's flopping.
That round probably like made him extremely brain rotted.
No, he's rather than the
She gonna call me baby boo.
side.
Hey.
Ice Spice.
Oh,
Who said that? Who said that?
Stacking.
Why are you giving
Easy
pregnant?
lang ako kasi.
Pregnant? Girl, you're obviously pregnant. Your cravings are out of the world.
Great match. Yan lang.
Yeah,
Nako
I'm
lang
waiting
match.
for human flash.
Tapos mag-join na kayo sa akin.
Okay.
Is it a solo or team?
I don't know.
Solo, I think.
I do it solo.
Sa solo, everybody.
Arika,
Everybody.
blame on the Arika, blame on the Arika. Girl, shut up and join.
What's
Stop it,
dragon?
Everything's
Oh,
Arika.
okay, starting.
Solo.
Guys,
Sabi mo kay Arika?
Hi.
Sabi ko
I
everything's
didn't
Arika.
say so.
I have a question.
She gonna call me baby boo.
Guys, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is Kurt gonna join?
No, he's gonna eat ice cream, remember?
Who watches Gag right here?
Easy. Kaya to.
Hindi
Ano
niya
daw?
magsabi ng easy, guys.
Bago to, Ru. Bagong Ru. Okay.
What is this?
What
What is?
Gag right? What's this?
I don't
What the hell,
know.
man? What the hell, Yante?
Oh, okay, I get it.
Apple ka?
God.
You wanna fight? Run up, run up.
I'm lagging. Hold on.
Hi, Aso.
Oh my God.
Hello, Aso dog.
Na-skip at nadagdag.
Ano ba yan? Clinic ko eh.
Oh my gosh.
Clinic ko naman.
Sorry.
And the problem is you can't like switch cards here.
Oo, okay ka.
Kala mo?
Bro, slap.
Suri ka, ka.
Free kick
Oh my
kasi.
gosh.
Oh, free cake? Okay.
Ano to gawin?
Furry
Wait lang.
Easy.
First tira niya, guys.
Today I will pick.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yo! Ah, okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I actually got good cards. Oh my god.
Pinpili niya kasi yung kulay ng tae niya.
Tama.
Yeah, but the question is, Johan,
He probably ate
are
too much
you
vegetable.
gonna be able to use them all?
Of course I am.
Why mong
Don't
bulong?
underestimate my
Bomb.
smart mind. Kaya na sa mamay.
Epal ka. Hi, Johan. Hey, Basti, do you have a Robux? Bigyan kita Robux.
Ayaw sa bro back.
Pero may Robux din. Lumabig.
Be besties sa bro back.
I will give you a Robux.
Bro back, no!
Lagi.
What that?
Ano?
Ah!
Balik ko sa'yo.
No, you just cancel it out.
I didn't ask, Loki.
Oh!
I didn't ask, Loki. She gonna come, baby, boo. I literally lost so much cards, tas binigay 26 cards si Johan.
Johan! You have half. Oh my god.
Johan, why are you
O, dahil
flopping?
26 cards ka.
Oh my god.
Someone reverse right
I'm
now.
able to get a turn.
No, don't. Don't
God.
do it. Don't do it. Ala, 6-7 card meron ako, guys.
I'd like to offer this.
offer ko yan. Bro!
Oh, we're supposed to keep the... Oh.
Oh, okay. I kinda
Wendy, you booty hole. Shut up. Use that reverse right now. Bruh.
$9. $9. Bro, I have no dollar.
Oh,
Wala akong
I don't know what's
Ito,
happening.
Erica has that card. Wait, Erica, you...
No,
Ay,
man. I don't want that. I don't want that card.
I'll bid that. And...
Piso lang. Oh, 7 pesos.
tuloy ako.
You guys... Walang nakakuha.
Wow!
That's why I like this game mode.
Booty
The game
Kaya
hole.
good ka.
Thank you.
Teka.
Oh,
Let's try another one, guys.
Why?
Enrique!
Easy. Easy pa. So...
What?
6, 4. Oh,
Sabi mo? Ay, di ba kanina 26 cards ka? Let's keep it 26, okay?
let's keep
Thank
stacking
ya.
and stacking.
What the hell?
Sabi ni Kurt, chinat niya ako, di masarap.
What did you say, ah?
Di masarap ice cream! Yun talaga.
Fairy cake. Oh no,
Puri
fairy cake.
Easy, fat.
Anong
Sabi
galing
ni
to?
Kurt, sabi ni Kurt, di masarap ice cream tas may kagat yung ano niya, ice cream cone. Ay ano, ice cream cup.
So
Heart
yan.
ko yan, heart. Like ko yan, like. Ayan.
Oh.
Uy, like! Nagtitat ako. Makulit kayo lahat. Easy.
May tinitignan ako sa leaderboard eh.
I would like to offer this.
Ko alam.
Do I have any cards? Oh, you guys suck so bad.
Suck booty hole.
Ilang kami baby mo. Ay.
Ako lang.
Oh, never mind. That's good.
Kurt's back. And he's back for more. He's gonna get some more D.
Girl, why is he at here?
Ilang kami baby mo.
Wala na Wendy, wala na sila.
Wendy, the reverse. Thank you.
Someone reverse it, please.
Thank you.
You should reverse it, Wendy. Wendy, I'll bid an auction. Ay, edi wag. Baho. Ano naman eh. Reverse card!
Tell me you want to join. Tapos na.
Reverse.
Go Wendy. Go Ari ka.
Reverse.
Maglaban nyo yan.
Uy, reverse if you're nice. Easy, fast.
No!
Easy, fast.
Oh.
Kaya na to ah.
Oh, dead ma. Jacob, what does that do? The dollar sign.
It starts on auction.
Yeah,
Auction, like the
you
one-
What does the auction
need
do?
you need to pick a car, and then that car must be like this.
Oh.
See?
Easy. Bro, no one's paying attention to Wendy.
I was literally asking.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Easy.
Not paying attention. Shut up, play. Shut up.
Fat. Oh. Fat.
Okay, Chris. When the auction starts, you need to pick a car that's like really high value, and then when the auction finishes, and then you have the high value,
Kuya,
you get
mo
the
na
car.
sila? Dog food ba?
Right back. I can swag.
May dog food pa yung ano eh.
Hello.
Color blue.
I like blue.
Yan. Hey, what's up?
What's that?
Oh no.
Sino nasa 20 yan? Sino naman nasa 18?
18.
Ano yun? Ano sulat? Alright, Wattpad stories.
What bad?
Look, the engineering precision, strength, and detail.
Guys.
Putang inang chat na to.
Who's doing that?
Isn't it?
Galing ako eh.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Fingers crossed. Kuya!
Chris, stop overpaying. Someone maybe turn it blue, like the color of the skies. Erica, I hate you. You big fatso.
Big back.
Is it?
Oh,
Hue. Linda lang.
Felipe!
Oh my gosh.
Naglag ako ng muripi.
Enrique!
Ripe kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Fat Ricker.
Oh,
No! I'm
Oh my
kidding.
god.
karma.
I'm joking.
You know what?
Thank you. Thank you. 4!
Thank you. Next, thank you. Next.
7. Sino maglalagay ng kicks?
5
Alam,
yan.
hindi siya naging 7.
What card is that?
That's a period card. Never mind.
Arika is out
Arika
to get.
has all reds, guys. I can see. I have X-ray vision. She has all red. Even down there.
No, napante ko.
Not funny.
And someone reverse it so that I can get revenge. on
Yes. I will.
4.
Hello, Johan. How is your day today?
Really good. Thank you. How about you? Fred?
Wait, Wendy, blue. Good
Yes,
mom.
blue.
Past tense of
Blue.
Ay,
Blue.
wala siyang blue.
Meron ako
Blue or green. I was petting my dog and then suddenly they did this to me. I am so angry because I thought I was their friend.
Yeah. Yeah, sure, buddy.
Yeah.
Gabba gabba.
No.
Johan, can you shut the fuck up?
Patient mag-open your mouth.
Me.
Oh my gosh, Arika is out to get me.
Get some purihaw.
True.
You have to go.
So true.
A true friend helps a friend in need. A
Ang
friend.
lala mo talaga, Erna.
Friend.
Para madagdagan pa yung card mo hanggang 30.
I was scratching my booty cheeks.
Not my fault.
Why
You
did you
were...
that you're just Johan?
Sabi mo? Anong my fault? Sinasabi mo dyan?
I love you so much.
Anong my fault? Sinasabi mo dyan?
Dami ko tosita.
Yan, wala. Aha, yeah.
Walang blue si
Walang
Puri Cake.
blue! Walang blue! Deserve!
What the hell,
Hi, guys.
Deserve! Nakatangin mo ako eh. Deserve
Easy,
yan.
Pat.
Oh, so I got something. That was OP.
Joke lang.
So OP.
Wala ka naman blue si Wendy.
Si Puri Cake, wala din siya blue. Kaya keep it
Wala
blue.
block arc.
Hi, my friend.
Oh, I can
What
use
friend?
this.
Whatever your friend is, I don't like that friend.
I hate you, Jan. I'm trying to put that there.
I could have kept the blue because I had the blue one. But I also had the black one.
The black one.
You look black.
Cute Kyle.
Bro, Jacob's out to get my butt. Raw.
You just
Oh.
Thank you. Because of that, Jacob. Here.
What is that?
4. 4!
Oh my friend.
Easy Wendy, Pat.
Oh!
I'm
I'm kidding. Uy, ano ba yan?
Karma.
I'm
Oh, guard with
Karma
that.
the bleep. I should have known. Oy, 7-9 ako. 7-9. 7-9.
6-1. 6-1.
Oh my god.
That's good.
Thank you.
That's right. Everything.
Jacob, why are you
That's right.
open?
No one started an auction. No one started an auction for a while.
They barely have an auction
You got
card.
be homeless.
It's giving homeless.
Why?
7? Wait, why would you put 7 down?
Yeah,
Seven
why
up.
would you put 7 down?
Up, down, up, down. You guys want?
Up, down, up,
Here's an
down.
option.
Back.
I would like. I would like to put this. I want to start from
No.
easy path.
Ooh.
Lol.
Me and Arik are stuck in the 20s, bro.
Perfect.
Baka. Look,
That's so bakalicious. Bakalicious.
sino dito gusto mag-reverse? Bili reverse
Ako!
mo lang ngayon. Joke lang, huwag mo i-reverse.
Why?
Such a marvelous.
Because I still need vengeance.
Vengeance from ML.
Not mine.
Vengeance mo.
Vengeance is not mine.
Well, if you want to reverse it, I will.
I hate you, Chris. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Give it to Johan.
Yeah. Why on J? Oh my god.
Fat hoe.
Oh my gosh.
Ako yan.
Wow.
Yeah, you guys are all fat hoe. Ay!
Wow.
Well,
You actually hate Jacob. Oh my god.
World Cup!
Okay.
World Cup! World Cup!
Gosh.
Stop! Third cards na ako.
Matahan na si Jacob.
Ah.
There's no point in going down. A
Yeah.
0, like red one.
Like red one.
That
I
was too
hate
bad. I had blue cards.
No girl. No girl.
I so much. I hate
Like I'm
you.
letting you do that.
Oh.
Okay, go. Good to go lang.
Are you
Yo.
silence or silence?
Both. Nothing's funny. Why are you laughing?
Sorry.
You're laughing.
What?
Oh. World Cup. Guys, so no, please.
It's
Oh my
okay,
gosh.
Jacob. You'll get used to losing.
I hate yellow.
My
Yellow. It's okay, you'll get used to it.
Thank you. I'm already used to it.
Black one.
Anymore.
Cancel din ako.
Ay, okay, Ari ka. Hindi ikaw na. Ay, joke.
I will beat because I am cool.
I'm gonna... Okay.
Hi, Bets. $1.
Wow.
Pinilit ko talaga yun para mabago yung card. It's smart, you know.
World. 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 World.
Oh my god.
I feel so Sigma after that. Sigma. I'm so Sigma. You.
Oh, thanks. I got this.
Give it to Wendy. Wendy really needs it so
No, I'm
bad.
gonna give it when everything's reversed.
Ano friend of
Mama!
Oh.
This B. This face shall feel my booty cheeks.
I thought we were all friends.
My god.
Love. Finally, I'm super content, you guys. This has been going for so long. I'm waiting.
My battery's getting high.
I will leave in the still down. I will leave in the still down. Oh, wait, that
Go,
whoa.
girl.
That kinda A. Wanna know what else we need? Actually, I don't know.
I ate
Ingrown.
so much because I'm a
What the heck?
fatso. But I
Do you
ate
eat
20
ingrown? I wonder if
Girl,
there's a person who has tasted an ingrown in their life.
It probably tastes bad. That's an ingrown toenail.
Yes.
Tastes so bad. Taste, smell.
Wendy has tasted
Girl,
easy. Fat Wendy. I'm so muted, but Wendy's still muted, by the way.
I just heard Jacob say, okay, bitch.
Guys, number yan.
What is Kurt washing?
Washing machine.
no girl, you ain't doing that.
Hey, what you know about Coherent Kingdom? That's lime, kid.
Bitch. You really wanna start? You really wanna fucking start with me right now?
Oh.
Okay, so
I was just kidding. Can't take a joke, bro.
Why are
Di
you
naman.
so mean? Why are you so mean, Kurt? Like,
Yeah, Johan, why are you so mean?
Sorry,
Oh my
guys. I
god.
don't know what came over me. Maybe it's just my dark side. I hope you understand.
God.
Understand!
Ew.
dark side sa ilalim ng singit. Sa ilalim ng
Ah,
kilikili.
Dark side ng
Ay, ng
Ariana Grande.
arm pala, sorry.
Si Rumi
Teka,
kasi
Bubu.
Bobo. Ulala.
Hi, Labubu. Do you want a Robux? I will give you
The Down syndrome
I want
Labubu.
no Robux.
Labubu.
Girl,
Down syndrome fat.
Big back
Guys.
Labubu.
Can we do another game? This has been going on for too long.
The Uno.
We can make it delicious fast if you just let me win.
Let's do this big
Kami cerebro.
Can we play something else? Wait, can we
Not 20 pixels.
Malayo.
MM2
Carmel,
MM2 please?
Oo nga. Ayoko na.
Ayun
So,
na.
so
Please.
Oh.
MM2 or you have MM2 or else you have gender.
Yeah, okay, I'm also TV.
before we leave, Wendy, I'm gonna give you this. Let's pick red. No. Freak you guys,
Go,
I'm
girl.
going home.
MM2 or you have genital crabs, okay?
Kung sino hindi
Grabe.
mag-use ng MM. Ko ng rectal
guys, guys, I did research and it says that whoever's named Kurt and Booker, they have herpes, chlamydia, STD, HIV,
Maglaro na ng
HPV.
MM2, maglaro na ng MM2, maglaro na ng MM. Laro na ng MM.
Wait, Kurt, I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Did
What?
you watch Drag Race?
I didn't watch it fully, but I did see clips of it. Why?
Wait, who's the one I asked? Who's the
Wait,
favorite Drag
secrets
Race
of it.
winner?
You asked me, and
It's a full server.
I said Trixie Mattel, and then you got mad and shit.
No, I didn't got mad. I just fucking it.
Guys, is it a full server? Their belly is full. Let's go to a
Wait,
different server.
Anyone have a private server here?
Are you rich?
Wala. So poor. Wala private.
The nerve.
I mean, unless you can give me like $3.
Like, who would fuck Trixie Mattel?
Oh, someone
So
has a
broke.
private server in my friends list, but you do not know them.
Ako may 8 Robux ako. Pwede ako bumili ng private server.
It's 10
Oh, wait,
Robux.
I'll give you 2 Robux.
Ay,
I need 5 more Robux.
I need,
donate niyo ako Robux.
guys, I need 10 more Robux
Ikaw
to buy the
bibili
private server.
private server.
What? You need hemorrhoids? Like, you already got some.
Oh,
Anyway, come on guys, join me.
Are you
Paano?
voice chat?
Yeah, let's use voice chat.
Di ako
Kawawa
nga.
si, kawawa si Jacob. Join pa siya sa ano, ang tawag Pipay? Hindi, ano yun?
Ay.
Weaver.
Who's looking for a small server?
I am already looking for a small server. I already found one.
There's
Small org.
one of
Okay.
12 people max.
Black one. Oh.
She stop.
Guys, really, there's only like
She gonna
She
call me
gonna call
baby.
me one. Hey, hey, hey,
Hey, back
hey.
it
She
up, back
gonna
it
call
up,
me
back it up.
black one.
She gonna
Guys,
call me
join me.
pussy.
There's barely any people here, and that's good.
Johan, it says you're offline.
Oh, join Jacob. He joined me for some reason.
He gonna call me baby fart. Tanen.
Fine, I'll invite you guys. You guys didn't have to send death threats in the DMs. Fine.
Rotate yung cell.
Guys, join me. Join me, MM2, or else you have genital crack.
What the heck?
Ayoko, I'd rather have that than be next to you or in a circle.
She gonna call me baby boo. Tanen. Okay, fuck. No, who said that?
I can't. I can't.
You can't say that. What the heck? That's messed up.
Ito, baby boo dancer. She gonna call me baby boo. Tanen. Tanen.
Ayaw mag-trip.
Um,
Wait,
galit
why is
ka.
this server laggy? Like my average ping is 800. What the heck?
Ikaw lang ka mo naglalag.
I think you're the one who's laggy, bitch. Go get yourself.
No, it can't be. I'm under denial. Stop.
Easy, fatso.
What the heck?
No, you're faggot.
Jacob, come. Look.
Jacob,
Napin niyo ako.
come.
She gonna call me baby boo. Tenenenen. Ay,
I'm
Guys,
I'm the gay. I'm gay.
Oh.
ah,
You sound
ang
extreme. You
bobo
sounded
naman.
extremely autistic.
I know.
Wait,
By the
not
way,
just
me
autistic.
and
Just
Kurt,
someone who has Down syndrome.
me
Oh,
and
that.
Kurt went trick or treating earlier. He threw back.
I backed out kasi the woman who was handing out candy was taking a video.
Pupost niya sa TikTok. Sasabihin niya, ano.
I
Ito
I
know.
guys,
I
maganda
saw
to sa
these
bata.
3 homeless kids and sa video niya, I saw these 5 homeless kids in front of my yard. Decided to give them. This homeless kid's story was he was
Sino
abused
to?
and abusing her
Rudy.
boyfriend.
Rudy.
Guys, I tried joining the server. Position in line 4.
Bakit ka kasi Why the fuck would you leave?
Oh, hold on, it's
Oh,
going there right now. Position in line 3.
Sampalin you nigger.
Here,
Anyway.
joining server.
Okay
Hey,
guys, sa start
I hate nigger.
I left because I was laggy, alright? Stop. I'm gonna get stressed out here. No.
oh, oh, oh.
She gonna call me baby fuck.
It's scary, because the murderer.
Call me baby fuck.
you are innocent. Kurt, run, you're gonna fart.
Not me. I swear on my soul. On my soul, not me.
Run, Arika, run. Wala pa. Hi, friend.
Hi, friend. My ping is always at 1,000.
Okay,
Oh,
maybe it is a little laggy in here.
I
Come on,
can't think of
guys.
that.
Let's switch booty holes and see which one has the best friction.
Which booty? I saw,
Feel-
I saw that.
Bro, it's not clicking!
Si Ari ay yung murderer.
No, I'm sorry, guys. Not the murderer earlier. Is this a normal girl?
Ayaw magpindot ng mouse ko!
Guys,
She
the
gon'
bushy
call me
stink.
baby.
Run away.
Oh my gosh, I
She
am
gon'
like
call me baby
lagging.
boo. Na-na-na-na.
Guys, are you
She
guys
gon'
also
call me
lagging or
baby
maybe it's
boo.
just me?
I'm
Lagging a
lagging.
little bit.
Tingnan nyo.
Arca's
She
also
gon' call me
lagging. She
baby
said that
boo drums
she
ako.
said it's not
Tingnan nyo.
clicking.
Eto. She gon' call me baby
Guys,
boo.
why are you lagging?
She gon'
Jacob,
call
that
me baby.
sounds nasty. That sounds nasty. Stop.
Guys.
She gonna call me baby boo.
Bro.
It's not supposed to be funny, but
I know. Why did you guys laugh?
she gon' call me baby boo.
Paris Hilton Hotel, okay?
Milton R34.
Oh, why did Chris left?
He's very lagging. He's gonna restart his computer.
Uy! Wow! Ganyan ako papatay! Papatay! Uy, ano papatay? Babatay niya! Mang babatay siya. Mang babatay siya.
Baby boo,
Oh,
come play
God.
with my tiny toes.
Don't
Mang
let
babatay niya
What
ako.
are you all? Girl, we know you're gaping.
Kurt, it's like,
Gaping
this
booty
is like
hole.
Freedom Facility all over again. Kurt, this is
Totoo.
like Freedom Facility all over again.
Shut up. We don't talk about that.
What happened, Gert? In my screen, your body part is still in the air.
She gonna call me lovely peaches. Da-na-na-na. Bro,
She gonna call me Eminem cake.
stop. Stop. That's
Chris,
not a story everyone should
what
know.
else, Chris?
what? What, Amanda? Black one? Sorry. Sorry.
Ah,
What? Girl,
bro,
we don't need Amanda Lepore.
girl.
She gonna
Kanina,
call me. She gonna call me
Johan,
baby. Oh, black one. Ayoko na.
Johan, when I was daydreaming outside,
Yeah.
I accidentally said a black one, brown one.
A green one.
O kasi, I even said red one kasi naka-red si Jacob.
A pink one. A
I
pink.
can't breathe. I can't breathe. Stop! You're killing me.
It's Johan.
Guys, sobrang... I hate you! LT.
It's
Wendy left.
Johan.
No, he
Ano,
would have killed me. He would have killed me in my
inaaya sila.
Instagram.
Inaaya sila ng kaibigan niya mag VC1 daw. Wait, so
Oh
we can
yeah.
play... Stop it.
Pop it. Pop
Hey,
it. Drop it. Come.
wait, come. Come here. Gert. Gert. Come.
Yo, Gert.
No. Stop, run. Yo, Gert.
Yogurt, please, yogurt.
Actually, no, I think it's
It's Arika. It's
you.
Arika. Oh my god, it's Arika. She just pulled out the knife.
So dumb.
Actually, trust me. Trust me.
Oh. No! Wait, I'm sorry, you guys. You guys are my best friend.
Best friends forever. Ayoko na nga.
Forever! Is Wendy still speaking?
Oni-chan! Yeah, Akazunai. No, no.
Wait, is Wendy still speaking?
No,
Wala
he's
na nga.
gone. He's gone forever. You killed him
Wait,
in real
we
life.
can play. We can play
这
yung
个是是你万岁于是打
是是
仗，
我是是是当是是I
It's Skirt,
didn't.
it's Skirt, it's Skirt, it's Skirt, it's Skirt.
I knew it.
It's Skirt, it's
didn't
chasing me! He's chasing my booty, hey!
Arika, am I chasing him? I know you see me right here.
what's next?
Arka run, it's him. He's trying to act innocent so he could put a knife up your
Wait, it's Johan blaming so much people. He's blaming so much
No,
people.
I'm just paranoid. Like, Akashimi, na 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 na, boy, boy, boy. Shut up.
Teleport powers.
That song isn't about being paranoid. Shut up.
No, isn't
Guys,
that the name?
let's play Flee the Facility now.
Ay, friend.
But like, what if I wanna come?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Uy,
Some bus and someone.
I have a gun. Don't come near me. I have a gun. Don't come near me.
Show it then, show it. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it to me
Show ko
now.
na.
Wait,
Show
siya yung
ko.
killer. Siya yung killer. Barilin mo yan. Barilin mo siya.
Naman ng killer. Di marunong.
Ako,
Killer.
may...
Look, alam mo
Fine,
kung ano.
guys. I'll confess. I'm the innocent.
Natakot siya.
Hi, I'm
Who's the
back.
killer? I feel like it's Ark. He's
Oh!
waiting last minute. Run, guys, run. We're about to die, doll.
Kill. Easy. Oh, it was none of us.
Let's see who's the killer, guys.
Boom.
Don't call me baby boo.
It's Johan Morales 25.
Oh! It was the black one.
It's the white one.
Ba't ganon yung nickname, yung nickname ni Wendy, Johan's a slut.
Oh.
Where?
Infection barn.
No, please. Mag-barn kayo if you're incest. Oh, you're incest.
What does that mean?
Oh, you do not know?
Yeah.
It's
Isn't
when-
incest like
Don't repeat it.
incense or something?
No!
Girl,
It's when you
that's-
ship if it's when you ship two people that are biologically
Is ano
related.
role nyo?
Fuck. My ears are ringing and it's beating so much. Ang sakit.
Tugtugay.
That's what you get when you
Ayun.
tung sahur. Isker, I mean it's Jacob's. No, actually it's Arika.
Girl, I'm standing still. What the fuck?
No,
Arika.
I was panicking. I'm saying all names. I was supposed to say Arika. Malapit nga ako magsabi Wendy eh. Wala naman siya dito.
Wendigo? Oh.
Um,
Ang random. Nagkaka-LT
I
guys. Nag-photoshoot kami
I'm
pinsan ko.
like I'm born to...
Kanino's knife to? May nagbato.
What?
Hoy,
Saan?
Hoy, next ko malipot.
Mariposa! It's Jacob.
Are you guys also lagging right now?
No, it's Jacob. It's Jacob.
Uy, uy, uy.
Ayun na. Ayun.
Hide me. Leonora, hide me.
Valentina mo na sakit.
Nasaki.
Lamosa, hermosa.
Lamosa, hermosa,
Ang
vermosa.
dami ko yan, ha?
Ano, si Jacob yung killer, nandun siya sa loob. Tapos nandun
Uy,
siya sa
Jacob.
truck sa loob. Tapos nandun na siya sa labas. Tapos nandun na siya sa truck sa labas. Sinasaksak niya yung babae. Tapos nandyan siya sa office. Tapos aakyat siya sa ladder. Ay, hindi siya, nagkakamp siya ng gun. Under the
Jacob,
ladder.
alam mo ba, pag ikaw nag-kill ka pa kasi ba dyan, magkakaroon ka almoranas nan.
Johan, get the gun, nigga. Wag, joke lang, wag. Nagkakamp siya. Johan, literally come out of
Wait,
hiding.
am I the only one alive?
Johan, come out of hiding or I'm gonna snitch where you are.
I can't stab.
Get the gun! While he
Yeah,
can't stab. Habang di siya makastab.
Notwari,
I
dildo
can't
lang.
stab, guys. I can't stab.
Bro, if you don't get it. Yeah. Oh. Ano ba yan?
Why did you believe me? I knew you were up.
I'm sorry, I got it. It's just I'm 1,000 ping right now.
Ako din. Easy murder has one.
Flee the Facility.
Mamaya na. I wanna be murderer before tayo.
Tara guys,
Wag-
play the facility na tayo. Play the facility na.
Sige.
No.
What if I want a cream? What if I want a cream? You gotta think about that.
You can do it there.
Why you say like you're so enthusiastic with it?
Jacob,
What?
hindi masarap yung ice cream.
Hindi masarap yung ice cream tas may kagat yung container. No.
Hindi nga masarap. Ang kulit mo ah. Innocent. Sabi,
Senta ko.
Ariko,
Ay.
it's Ariko. Run! He's gonna get my booty cheeks! Stop!
Innocent,
Stop it, stop it.
innocent.
She's chasing me. She's gonna get me. She's gonna get me.
Oh,
She's gonna get me in my booty cheeks. Booty
Wait,
cheek?
you guys wanna take a picture together?
No.
no.
Please.
Jacob, what the fuck? sabi nga hindi ako nagnanapkin, di ba? Kulit mo talaga, no?
Really, let's all take a picture together.
You can, Jacob, you can take a picture without me. I'll just photo shoot myself there, okay?
Ako na lang magpipictures.
Dito, murderer!
Jacob is chasing me. He's gonna
Blue
get
hair
my-
na may yellow cap.
Blue hair na may yellow cap. Si Jacob yun.
Blue hair na may yellow cape. Tago pa siya, oh.
Si Jacob, pati na may baril siya. Fake gun yan.
Girl.
Ayun yung murderer!
Doon siya sa taas.
Let's...
Oh, he's in the van.
Yan na,
Oh my God.
I can't shoot! Wait, why can't I shoot?
Hindi, Almorana.
Move your fat!
Winis
He's hiding behind the door. He's hiding behind the door. He's coming out. He's coming out of the closet. He's gonna be open. Game, guys.
I can't!
Oh, what is this?
Move! Move, you fatty!
Go, bro.
No!
He's going upstairs.
Galing.
So nice.
Alright, Jacob, where is your Valorant skills in this
Oh,
moment?
I'm on... Wait, oh my God!
Aray, uy,
Nalo siya!
yan. Ang noob yun naman.
Pala, Mobile Legends siya. Bro.
Narinig niya, victory!
Stop, it's not funny.
Sama-sama kasi tayo eh. Kasalanan mo yan, Jacob. Galing na Valorant skills mo.
Yo, ikaw yun narinig ko pa, binun niya sa akin, papatalo tayo, susunod magpapakil ako. Sabi niya, oh.
Sorry.
She's so serious. My stomach's about to hurt. I'm laughing too much.
Oh, you're gonna make me hurt.
That sounded a bit weird.
It's gonna make me hurt.
So fight. Everything you do is so fight. Oh my God.
so
Wake up in the morning.
Why is it so spicy? Ganun yun. Laugh, bro! Come on! You guys gotta laugh?
So fight. Wake up in the morning, so fight. And
Where's the
then so
murderer? When Kurt
Girl.
is singing, it's Kurt.
You sound so jolly.
kanina pa ako nakakanta so fight sa lobby. Bala yan dyan.
No, when the round starts, you start singing. That's when you start fight.
He's gonna kill me, bro!
Hala! Sala!
It's Arika. Oh, oh.
Patay ko siya, oh. Nakakabol ko siya, oh. Oh, wait, where'd he at?
Ako distracted.
Look at it.
Guys, distract Twisted Kurt.
Likod ako, ah.
Twisted Kurt.
Sa likod ako, eh.
Huwag ka punta dito. Diyan ka lang.
You know, what do you get from the kitchen?
Magaganyan ka pa.
Darn it, it didn't work.
Garnet. It didn't work.
What you know about Steven Universe? I'm just kidding.
I know a lot.
I'm just kidding. You're so easy to rage bait. Run! It's Jacob. I mean Kurt. It is Kurt. I knew it. I
Kala
told you it's Kurt.
easy fat home.
You know what, Jake? I'm gonna hide with you.
Blue hair. They're in the closet. They're in the closet near in the living room. Sino yun? Sino yun?
The way Kurt's silent, he's like so locked in.
Sino yun, guys? Nag-rotate siya, guys.
Bro, get the... Oh,
Aray mo, aray! Aray mo! Aray! Aray mo! Help! Help! Eh, na-shoot mo yun. Oh, shoot that one. Shoot that one.
hala.
Easy. Easy, pat. Pat.
Oh.
Anong
So-
lol? What?
Solda.
Funny.
Guys,
Lol,
we not
lol.
go to the facility until we all get murdered.
Anong lol?
I don't think
dyan?
Arika has gotten one as well.
What?
Murder.
Bitch.
So did I.
La 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 la. Deafen me, hello?
No, I didn't deafen anyone. I was just typing. Love letter loser? Whoa.
No, can I team on her? Please. Mama.
You can team on her. Yeah, all by yourself.
Meow.
Yung girl.
Ate ko sinasabi nito. See, is she that sensitive?
I don't think it's
Wait, what'd she say? Don't have
Bring
to
the
bring.
attitude. Kala ko altitude.
Wait, what's the context?
Kasi nung niya ako, sabi niya, lol, sabi ko, what's funny? She said nothing. And then I said, exactly. And then she said, yeah, I'll be mad. And then I said, I literally only asked you what's funny. And then she said,
Altitude. So what's with the altitude? I just said altitude.
anong attitude?
Plus, I only said lol because I clutched.
Yo, that guy's mad. Keep defending your friend. Girl, do you know what clutch means? I use DP. Dream pet! Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. I got something downstairs.
Nakakapikon naman tompo. Girl na to. Tong girl na to eh.
Oh, right. The problem.
Jake, you're not making anything better.
Oo.
I like, you're mad. No, easy. Try to make her mad. Your ego's hurt because I talked to your friend. Right.
Huh? And what's ego hurting there?
You guys remember
your friendship.
Wait, I feel like she's the murderer now.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna shoot her. Team tayo sa kanya.
Sige.
She's
Sunshine.
He's over here at the table, the big table, the big table. Yan siya,
Wait,
katayo. Katayo siya yun.
Cool.
Oh.
Easy, Pat. And
Hey, booty hole.
Camper, oh.
Like my booty. Where is that furikake? Saan na yan furikake? That's my main target.
Nasa ano siya, live.
Kita ko yun.
Kita.
Last one's near the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going. Wait, no.
In the kitchen, in the kitchen, in the kitchen.
Stay there. It's right around
Yeah.
right there, yeah, right there.
She moved.
I didn't see you.
What did you say?
Sabi niya, we're not even fighting anymore. And then I said, yeah, we're not fighting anymore because you flipped the situation.
Camper, young. It's like nothing happened. Girl, you gotta stop defending me. I don't really care if they call me Camper. Oh my god.
Gun was right there. You walked right into it. Fast. Fast. Maybe, ano yan? Sabi niya,
It's been nice.
but maybe, ano, huwag kayo mag-type!
Nag-rage. Ah! Ganun siya. Oh my
Bro,
god.
who the heck? Sino may kakilala kay Lilicoin?
Hoy, that's my friend.
Oh.
Everything is always connected.
I literally
Lily Unicorn.
I said, who's Lily? Who's the killer?
Oh, Lily Unicorn. I thought it was my friend.
Sino killer? Sino
My
killer?
friend's name is Lovely Lily Unicorn.
I know it, you cat. Bro, I'm actually so mad.
Oh, you could.
It's Arika. I'm gonna creep. Kala ko siya na.
I'm literally drooling right now because of rage, bro. She's coming, Kurt. No. Okay, wait. She's coming, go run.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Why me? Kill that girl.
Wait lang.
Shoot. Ba't ako nandyan yung sheriff, oh? Le Seraphim.
Oh,
Araka Loki. Stay there. Sabi niya, ayun.
okay, what?
That's
Ayaw gana.
Lilicoin. Nasa likod ng pinto si Lilicoin. Nagka-camp siya dun.
Lilicorn.
Ang
She
galing
the only
ng-
one.
Yeah.
Lilicorn shove 3 fingers.
Where is she?
She's inside.
She's
inside,
near
like where the crates are.
she's near the crate cards.
She's
You're
in
so
the back.
far away. She's in the sewer.
Just camp
Ayaw ko
out
na
there.
baka-
Just camp out there. Just camp out there. She's gonna come out there.
Nagkakulit po siya ng candy. Ay, napupunta po siya sa sewer. Napunta
Go outside. She's gonna go out from there. Just camp. Oh my god, she's about to go out. She's about to be lesbian. She's
Ano
about to
po,
be
mga-
lesbian. She's about to be lesbian.
Where is she? Where is she?
Ano where? She's right there.
Bro.
She's about to be lesbian.
Where is she?
Ay! Ka.
I can't click it. I click.
I press
Bro.
E, I swear. I press E.
Lagi ako talon.
I can't. Oh, dagger.
Nice
No,
girl.
I'm better than Arika.
Girl, why is your legs spread like scissors?
Yeah, you got powers. Superpowers.
Hindi nga superpowers. Dragon.
Yan. Alam mo ba? Nung gamit ko place.
Ano,
Are
Arika?
we gonna play Play the Facility?
Superpowers.
You're like the hero singing in the violin ear.
Calm.
Oh, wow, what a nice word for
Saya?
you guys.
Come, daddy vagina.
Okay, I'm gonna sing.
Very
I'm gonna
bored.
sing. I'm gonna sing a song.
Gummy word.
I don't wanna do that anymore. Hala, may nagano sa akin. I just got a warning. And
Your voice chat is on.
ano, I got a warning. I'm
Uy!
about to get banned. Jacob! Si Jacob yung killer.
I hate you. Nag-ninja pa ako.
Kanina.
Freaking!
Aired easy.
I'm actually raging right now. I'm gonna leave and then start gooning. Right.
Flee the facility na tayo. Leave.
Let's leave, bro. Let's leave this
Ah,
room.
Everyone
just
leaves. Everyone leaves when Jacob is a murderer. How nice.
Okay lang, at least 2 times ako murderer.
Actually, I got murdered 4 times.
Hmm.
Well, did I ask you?
Join. Play the facility.
That kind of state, Jacob, like very silent or silence.
Nasaan tong batang to?
Fall in love again and again. Fall in love again and again. Fall in love
Oh
again and
wait,
again.
guys, I have a question. What do you say when you see a? Never mind.
Fall. Fall.
Do you know what
Fall.
Like when you like
do you
What?
know crypto prolapse?
Easy,
crypto.
I won. Oh,
Guys, what do you say when you see someone color? You know.
Hindi. Kasi hindi ako. Doon din naman ako matutulog eh.
sana lag ulit, guys.
Guys, what do you say when you see someone a choice of color that is unique?
I don't what?
Magkikising din naman ako.
Black one.
Black one.
Oh look, there's a lot of sheep. There's a black one. Black one.
Can we play Flee the Facility?
We are playing to the facility. You
Why?
have 30. You have 12 seconds. Join now.
Guys, hindi yun, guys.
Good job, nag-join siya agad. Good job, blow jab, hand jab. I'm sorry. Oh wait,
Lasik
wait.
cake yung ano, hacker.
Oh
Ay,
wait,
yung ano,
you guys didn't hear it. Let me read it again. Blow jab, hand jab, foot jab.
Stop.
Ito na nga
Literally,
pala.
siya for the first time, guys.
Ayoko nga. Oh my God. December 25, Daddy Rob concert.
Tama ka.
Sabi mo, Kurt?
December 25, dati Rondam.
The different.
Ha?
Oy, ba't ka sabi nun?
Nice at Canton, Pansit Canton. God.
Oo, pangit.
Oh, I don't know where to go. Anong map to? Friend.
I voted for this, and now my ass is being eaten because of it.
I'm watching.
What was that sound?
Oh. 100 secrets.
6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again.
Kurt, you have
6-7.
computers. I will juke this fat hoe, okay?
I already juked her so bad.
Real bad. Real bad.
Black one.
Keep going. Fall in love again.
Motor
Black
ba?
6-7 and again.
Black
6-7
one.
again and again and again. 6-7. Oh my God. That was your fault.
That was not my fault, bro.
Ikaw.
Me when there's a white one, me when there's a black one. Black one!
6-7
Sabi na eh. Sabi na.
Nag-chase sila, black one.
Ano talaga?
Ay, ay, ay. Wusho. Ay, ay, ay.
Ano,
Wusho.
tapos mag-hack ulit ako.
Ay,
Oh,
ay, ay.
easy.
Wusho. Ay, ay, ay. Wusho.
6-7 again.
There's one over here. In
I-hack
this,
mo yan. Ako na mag-ano.
this is
Watch me.
called Ariana Granada enclosure, okay? Or Albert enclosure. Albert enclosure na lang.
6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again. Kala mo sa akin, Ari ka.
Camper.
6-7 and again. 6-7 again.
Hoy! Hoy!
Look, Johan.
Ito.
Johan mawala, festival.
6-7 and again.
6-7 and again and again. 6-7 and again and again.
6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again.
Again.
Hey.
Yeah, Arca, we just keep circling around. Distracting Twisted Arca, guys.
Bakit ang pangit ng Twisted Arica?
This is unfair! She used her day!
Ay, kala ko nag-leave. Leopard siya eh. Epe Lord.
6-7 again. 6-7 again and again. We go both ways. Kasi yan.
Ay, Arica, stick 3 fingers up.
Not fair, bud. Not me, I'm just a baby.
I'm just a baby. Save.
Oh, booty holes. Oh no.
Booty. Wait, no. I'm a early bird. You can't do that. Bruh.
Ay, akala ko hindi niya ako kita sa water.
Blood in the water! Blood in the water! Blood in the water! Blood in the water!
6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again. 6-7 again and again. 6-7. Close the door.
Ba yan?
It is close.
6-7.
My battery is getting low. I thank you. Uy,
Ayun.
Ah,
Niga.
Bro, at this point, the N-word is basically just like,
Helly!
it's just a normal word. Hacker ako, guys. So, yan.
Bro,
wala mo ko ah.
I can't. I keep getting hit.
At mo?
Sabi mo ganyan.
What? This girl keeps using her leg!
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Mamaya na. We finish this.
His battery is getting
Are you
low.
gonna neglect me? You're not a person, right?
No, we're hacking a computer right now. Totally, yeah.
Oh, you're right, I believe you.
Sometimes I wonder if you still want to fuck me. Like you said,
If you still want to freaky part. Oh, sige. This looks
I'm freaky dicky.
fall in love. No,
Yo, I got you.
guys,
Fallen.
Alright. Yo, I got you.
Easy, fat ho. Fat gut.
Guys,
Fall Guys. Guys, ito ba yung Fall Guys na laro?
guys,
Fall guys.
this girl is not here. You know?
What?
That sent shivers down my
Guys, this girl's coming from my booty hole. She has a big length.
booty part.
Kaya. One.
Like sugar on my ass.
Last part.
What is that?
Ay, nay.
Ni Jeje. Ni Jeje. Sabi ni Crest.
Najalapin pa. Yung najalapin.
Jalapeno pepper. Oh.
Stalker mode yan. Stalker siya, guys. Kuya Will. Kuya Will, Kuya Gulong. Kuya Will, Brother Will. Ay, Kuya Will. Kuya Will, Brother Gulong. Camper, kamot po. Camper mukhang unpearl. Camper mukhang...
Camper.
Camper mo.
Oy, 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 oy!
Camper no po. Guys, it's okay. Leave without me.
Okay.
I'm fine. Joke lang. Friend joke. No, friend let me in, friend. Friend let me in. Fat cheese turd, I hate you. Go, go, go. No, 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 no.
Hindi ka pwede.
Cheese turd run. Cheese monster. Cheese excreting monster, guys.
Alam ko yan ah.
I'm only you. After don't take the blame on me.
Guys, run! She's about to get your booty cheeks. She has great legs.
Really? Can I see?
Oh.
Guys, joke.
Guys, the fact that I barely did any computers today this round.
Computer, easy. Sayaw tayo, sayaw. Parang red light, green light. Red light, cheater.
Easy.
Ano beast person you
Oh, wait,
guys?
guys, I've been recording for an hour. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me say my outro. Okay, vaginas. Stay back for a second.
Ala,